Hello, Sultana.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm actually really good.
Really?
Yeah, yesterday me and my friend we went to do our multicultural thing in the library and
Mm-hmm.
we did it and stuff and then after we went and got pizza together. It was really fun.
Oh, so you are talking about the cultural festival, right? Did you have it?
No, not yet. It's gonna be on the Friday, the
Next week, Friday.
yeah. Like
Hmm.
we drew this massive thing, like it's over there. Take this together. This thing.
Oh, what is that?
They're like clothes.
Oh,
We did
oh,
the
it looks cool. How many hours did you spend to draw that picture?
Well, yesterday was Saturday and the library closes at 5 and we came like at around 1. So we kind of took like 4 hours, but part of that 4 hours we try to have a lot of fun. Like we ate food, we talked and stuff, and we took like breaks and it was really fun.
Okay,
And like what's the best thing is that she lives downstairs, so we both got to go together.
very good. If you're enjoying your time, that's good, And actually, school time, education, you must enjoy learning. You must enjoy going to school. Sometimes it may be boring, but in general, Sultana, uh, it's good to hear that from you. We will practice again equations today and word problems. Last time, if you remember, we practiced word problems. Before I move to this, let's practice a few more equations. And after that, like 20 minutes equations and 35 minutes maybe word problems. Do you have any questions from Han Academy?
No, not really.
No.
Today
Okay,
I
then we'll
don't.
practice only equations. Okay, then.
Yeah.
All right. Again, the equations idea is really simple. If you have fractions, you have to change this into whole numbers. And after that, take unknowns to the left and numbers to the right and just solve it, right? Let me just write the date here in case in the future. Okay, let's start. So you try question A and D and we'll discuss B and E, okay? Write in your notebook.
Also, like A and D, not A and B.
Yes, A and D. Something. It probably was the program. Okay. What did you get for the first one? Already finished?
No, I'm almost done.
Really? So you can actually, A over 3, you can just move to the right-hand side, do it mentally. It is 1, right?
Yeah, I got the answer. Yeah.
What is A?
A, the final answer?
Yeah,
3.
it is 3. Very good. And B also, let's do 3 questions together. You see just a number immediately. If you don't have parentheses, take numbers to the right, letters to the left. So here we have K over 4 is equal to -4 minus 6, right?
Yeah.
What is -4 minus 6?
Uh, it was,
-10. Come on.
yeah, negative
Negative
10.
10 times, I'm moving this 4 to the right hand side, it will be multiplication.
Yeah.
So, dots, dot, dot, it is -4. You should be able to solve at this speed, It is
Yeah.
changing, one number from one side to the other side is really easy. Added will be subtracted. Subtraction will be added. Multiplication will be divided. Division will be multiplication. That's it. And can you solve this question C?
Mentally,
Yeah, just tell me. I'm going to write.
uh, x over 5 minus 2
No, just say it. Equals the second state will be
equals
5,
3
right?
plus, yeah, equals 5.
Okay.
And then x equals 5 times 5. So then
Which is
25.
25. Yeah, that's like that. Okay. Now D.
So y over 6. Wait, can I read it first?
Uh-huh.
Y over 6 minus 1 over 2. So it's like 20. No, wait.
First,
So
we move 1 over 2 to the right-hand side. So
yeah,
here we
so
have three and
6
a half.
over 6 minus 1 over 2 equals,
What
yeah,
is 3.5 and half?
uh,
Is 4, right?
4, yeah.
Yeah. So y is equal to 4
4.
times 6,
4 times 6, yeah.
which is 24, right?
24, yeah.
Okay. Now do question E in your notebook and tell me the answer, okay? Then we'll discuss together. 1 minute.
Okay, I got it.
You got it? Okay. What is it?
X equals 4.
Very good. You see, sometimes I can just do this x to the left-hand side, 2 to the right-hand side, 2 to the left-hand side. So I don't have any negative number. X
I
over 2
also
will
did
be 3 minus 2, right?
I also did F.
You also did F? What did you get for F?
Y equals 18.
18, right? Or minus 18. It's negative 18, right?
Oh, no, it's, yeah, negative 18.
Because if you move 4 to the right-hand side, it's negative 6. And 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Okay. Do G. And also, Sultana, we know that if negative A is equal to negative B, right?
Yeah,
So from here, it's the same thing as A is equal to B, right?
yeah,
And also, if minus A is equal to B, is the same thing as A is equal to minus B, right?
yeah,
Just moving this minus, because in the first step, when you write this, I have like this, 2x, negative 2x over 3 is equal to negative 2, negative 4, right? Both sides are negative, you can just drop them. Then you'll have this equation, 2x over 3 will be equal to 6. So you don't have to deal with negative number.
uh, 9.
9?
Yeah,
Okay, you should be a bit faster. Again, Sultana, look, this 2x over 3, right? If you remember, I can write it as 2 over 3 times x. This is called manipulation. You should be really good at manipulating things. Now, if you move this fraction to the right-hand side, I will have here x will be equal to 3 over 2 times 6, which is equal to 9, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now do question H. Try to do it a bit faster, okay?
Huh?
Try to do it a bit faster.
Yeah, okay.
H.
Uh,
Yes, Sultana.
uh, so the answer is x equals -10.
Negative
Negative.
10. Very good.
Yeah.
Because if you move to the right, this one to the left, I have here 3x over 5 is equal to minus 6. Then what is x? I'm just moving this fraction. Minus 6 times 5 over 3, right? Which is equal to negative 10. Again,
Yeah.
I'm just using this. If you remember, Sultana, a times b, a over b times x is equal to y. If you move this fraction to the other side, it will be b over a times y. Why is it so? Because we are multiplying both sides by b over a, right? And we know that a over b times b over a is equal to 1. All right. Next question. I. How do you solve this question, Sultana? Before you start, can you tell me?
So I've so 5x minus 2. Uh, so first 5 minus 2x times 2 over 7. So that
Mm-hmm.
equals 2 times 7.
It is 2 times 7. That's it. Because it's divided, right? It's like if we have 6 over 2 is equal to 3, I can write it as 6 equals 3 times 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then negative
Then
2x equals,
-2x equals 14 minus, yeah, 5.
uh-huh,
And then -2x equals 9.
mm-hmm. X equals negative 9 over 2, right?
9 over 2. Yeah.
Or which is 4.5. That's it. If you can solve like this, that's it. You can solve every equation. J. Now solve J.
Okay. Wait, do I tell you?
No, solve it in your notebook.
Um, 7 over 2.
7 over 2 or negative 7 over 2?
Mm,
Sultana, first, if you move 9 to the right-hand side, we have 5 plus 4x is equal to negative 9. Did you write like this first?
Yeah.
Yeah. Move 5 to the right-hand side. 4x equals
Oh,
negative 9 minus 5,
oh,
right?
I get it. Yeah, I got that part. Yeah.
Yeah, be careful, okay? Negative 14 over 4. Or if you simplify, both numbers are divisible by 2, 7 over 2. Or that's equal to 3.5, okay? Be careful with signs. 4.
Okay,
First, you have to express this as a single fraction. And also, we learn how to add fractions, right, Sultana? Bring into a common denominator. Like, for example, x, I can write x as 5 times x over 5, right?
mhm.
And here we have x over 5. Now they have the same denominators. If you add the top, 5x plus x, that is 6x over 5 equals 12. And next, move 6 over 5 to the right-hand side because it's multiplied. X is equal to 5 over 6 times 12. So dot, dot, dot. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. We see line by line. Every step we are just using properties and solve it. Okay, Sultana?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Now try question B.
Uh,
Yes.
x equals 12 over 5.
X equals 12
Over 5?
over 5. 12 over 5. Okay. Immediately, I'm going to open this, okay, the parentheses, and write the unknown on the left because it doesn't matter, right? 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 7 is 14. On the right-hand side, we have 2 over 5. Move 14 to the right-hand side. 6x equals 2 over 5 plus 14, which is equal to 5 times 14, 70. 70 plus 2 is 72 over 5. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 6. So x is equal to 72 over 5 times 1 over 6. So that's equal to 12 over 5. Or as a decimal number, it's just 2.4, right? In either
Yeah.
way, it is correct. Very good, Sultana. Very good. Do question C.
Okay.
First, you move negative 3 over 7 to the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm almost done. Okay, I got the answer.
Yeah, what is it?
X equals 40 over 21.
Very good. So here we have, if we add this, that is 8 over 7. Move this fraction to the right, is multiplied. X will be equal to 8 over 7 times 5 over 3. And these numbers we can simplify. That's equal to 40 over 21. Or if you write as a mixed number, it is 1 and 19 over 21, right? It's improper fraction, you better leave it as a mixed number or just fraction. It's okay. Do question D.
Okay. Uh, um, so 12 over 5.
12
Or
over 5.
yeah.
Okay. Explain.
So I did 5 over 2y equals 10.
So,
And then I
Sultana,
minus,
immediately at the same time, why don't you just move this unknown to the left? It will be plus 5 over 3, right?
yeah.
Immediately. Also do it at the same time. Here we have 10.
Okay.
And
And then,
actually, this y Sultana, can you imagine that? Or can you, I hope you understand that. 5 over 2 plus 5 over 3 is a common, the y is a common factor. We can write it like this, right?
yeah.
Okay. So if you simplify this, what is it? 3
Uh,
times 5, 15. 2 times 5, 10. Did you write 25 over 6?
yeah.
Okay, that's it then. And now move this to the right hand side because even if you're allowed you to use a calculator, if you understand these steps, you can do really fast. So it's 10 times 6 over 25, which is equal to by 5. It is 2. It is 12 over 5, right? Did
Yeah.
you get 12 over 5?
Yeah.
Which is equal to 2.4. Okay. Sultana, we have four more questions, okay? And I'll move to word problems. Four questions. Here we have, okay, E, F, G, H. Now they're a little bit challenging, but idea is the same. Now try question E. Move unknowns to the left, numbers to the right, and simplify, and then divide. That's it. If you get the correct answer, we don't have to discuss, okay? I'll just move to the next question. Yes, Sultana.
A equals 60. Oh, wait, no, wait. A equals negative 60.
Very good. A. The first step, let me just write only the first step. First, you write 1 over 2a minus 3 over 5a is equal to 4 plus 2, right?
Yeah.
So a is equal to negative 60. That's correct. Very good. Do F.
Wait, do you want me to do uh
F,
H,
F,
F
F.
and H
No,
together?
F after that's G.
Oh,
F, G, H. First do F.
M equals -5/2.
Good. Really fast. So M is equal to -5/2. Okay. To G.
Mm.
What is the least common multiple of 256, Sultana?
Um,
Hmm?
um,
It is not 6, it's not 12, it's not 18,
30?
it is 30, right?
Yeah.
So that means that we should bring into a common denominator of 30.
Yeah.
I can write here it is 30. On the right hand side, we have 2. The first fraction we should multiply by what number? The top?
Uh, 2?
15, right?
Huh?
Because 30 divided by 2 is
Oh,
15, right?
yeah. Yeah.
Next one,
Uh,
by 6. Because 30 divided by 5 is 6, right? So we multiply by 6. And 30 divided by 6, 5. So we should multiply top and bottom by 5. Right?
yeah.
Okay, now continue.
Yeah. So the answer is 15.
So 15 minus 6, it is 9. 9 minus 5, it is 4. So here we have 4k divided by 30. That's equal to 2. Move to the other side. K will be equal to, here we have 2 times 30 divided by 4, which is equal to 15, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. But you should not use a calculator for these questions, okay, Sultan?
What?
You should not use a calculator for these questions. Do without using a calculator, okay?
Okay.
Do H.
Wait, I thought we were gonna do G.
Your G we have finished, right?
I have
Now
memory
do
loss.
H. Are you doing H?
Yeah.
Okay, do H.
So 8/3.
A over 3?
Yeah.
Okay. First, you move 2x to the left-hand side. So here we have 5 over 2 means that 2.5, right? I can write like this. 2x is equal to 4 over 3. So 5 over 2 minus 2, that is 1 over 2 because 2.5 minus 2. So that's equal to 4 over 3. Multiply both sides by 2, 8 over 3. Okay? Okay. Sultana, now let's practice some word problems. That much is enough for equations today. Next time we will continue with more challenging questions. All right? Okay. Now, last time we were solving word problems. I think we did until 5. Let's continue with 6. Just write the date here. Okay, Sultana. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. With question 6.
Okay. Garrett has one. Garrett has $1. Um.
Less.
uh, Yeah. Garrett has $1 less than 3 times as much as Liz has. Together, they have $179. How much money does Garrett have?
We are talking about two people, Garrett and Les, right?
Yeah.
So our Les statements. Let X represent whose money? Garrett or Liz?
Garrett? No,
No,
wait.
Liz,
But
right?
both, yeah, both, it says both of them have $179.
Yeah. Suppose that Liz has X dollars. Then how
Yeah.
much does Garrett have in terms of X?
Mm, I don't know.
Hmm?
Like
$1 less than, what I should,
3 times?
3x minus 1, right?
Yeah.
And that's really important. You know, the first step, defining your variables. You have to be able to represent each person's amount in terms of the same variable. Then I can set up our equation. That's our first step. And the second step, we're going to set up our equation, right? Together, they have $179. So Garrett has 3x minus $1, and Liz has x dollars. Together, 179, right?
Oh, I so like basic basically like we could do like 3x minus 1 plus so then 4x like
That's it. 4x is equal to,
minus
move
1
negative 1 to the right-hand side, 180, right?
180.
What is x?
134.
What? 180 divided by 4.
80 divided uh
45.
yeah.
And now we're going to define or write our answers. So Liz has $45, right?
Yeah, and then minus 1
And how about Garrett?
1
So
$1
now we're talking about, look
less.
at Garrett. Garrett has 3x minus 1. If x equals 45, so that is 3 times 45 minus 1 is
Minus 1
equal to
$134.
$134.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Read the next question. Now you'll try it yourself. Okay? 7.
The Buffalo Bills scored 24, or more than twice the number of points that the Miami Dolphins scored. Altogether, the team scored 66 points. How many points did each team score individually? So the Miami Dolphins, they scored like 14 points, and
Okay. Say again.
the Miami Dolphins scored 14 points.
14? No, we have to solve this. Why Miami Dolphins suppose they scored X points. Then how about Buffalo Bills?
Uh,
24 more
24
than
more than
Y.
twice the number of points.
So what is that in terms of X? Can you tell me the expression?
So 2x plus 24.
Yeah. So first you should write the Sultana, okay? Then
Yeah.
we set up our equation. Altogether, the team scored 66 points. So altogether means that this BB, Buffalo Bills, right? And plus Miami Dolphins, that is X. This total points is 66, right?
Yeah.
Now solve it and tell me X. What is
So
X?
like in all the total amount.
No, find X. Solve this equation. Solve this equation first. Tell me X. What is the solution of this equation first?
Uh, 14
It is 3X, and that is 22.
plus 24, so then equals 66, and then 3x equals 42,
Yeah, that's
and then
42, right?
and
X
then
equals
x equals 14.
14. Now we will answer the question, Sultana. So if you're talking about two people, Miami Dolphins, right? It is represented by X, so that is 14 points. And how about Buffalo Bills? Buffalo Bills is 2 times 14 plus
Plus
24,
24 equals
which is
28.
42, right?
Yeah, 42.
Okay. Question 8, 10, 8.
No, isn't it
Question 8. Read
52?
question 8.
No, wait, isn't it 52?
42.
But
2
I
times
thought,
14, 28, right? 28 plus 24 is, oh, 52.
yeah,
Yeah, you're right. 52, sorry. 52.
yeah.
8.
There are 10 less red Skittles than orange Skittles in the bag. The orange Skittles are also twice the number of red Skittles. Find the number of red and orange Skittles in the bag. Do I
I'll
do
give
them?
it 2 minutes. Can you try to solve this yourself,
Okay.
Sultan? Yes, Sultana.
Um, so like I did R for red Skittles and S for orange Skittles. No, I mean O for orange Skittles.
Okay. First,
Oh,
look, let's introduce our variables. There are 10 less red Skittles and orange Skittles in the bag, right?
yeah.
So orange Skittles, let's say it is N. So then this should be N minus 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's our first step. And second step, can you read it? The second sentence.
The second sentence, the orange Skittles are also twice the number of red Skittles.
Okay, twice. It means twice. The orange Skittles, we know that it is N. Twice, that is two times the number of red Skittles. Red Skittles is N minus 10, right?
Yeah.
And that's it. You know how to convert word problems into mathematical equation. Now we have to solve it. You know how to solve this. Really easy
Then
question. 2n minus 20, right? What is n?
N equals 2 OR.
What?
2?
2?
Yeah.
It is 20.
Mhm. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 20.
It is 20, right? And now find the number of red and orange Skittles in the bag. So I'm going to write here red Skittles and orange Skittles. Red Skittles, how many? It is 10, right?
And
Because 20 minus 10 and orange Skittles is 20.
20. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Sultana, now let's talk about rectangles. What is a rectangle, Sultana?
It's a shape.
What kind of shape?
Well, it's like uh how do I say this? It's like a it's like something where you use for math too. Like it's like a type of parallel shape or something. It has four sides.
Uh,
I'm pretty sure it has four sides and uh four no, not four sides, uh like you could say angles, I think. And it's like my teacher said this before. She said it's like equal to 90 or 60 degrees, she said.
we can say that rectangle is a four-sided closed figure where all interior angles are 90 degrees
Yeah.
and the opposite sides are equal or congruent. So this side equals this side and this equals this. And also in rectangle, they have a special name, right? This longer side, we call this length, and shorter side, we call this width. So opposite sides are equal. So if it is W, also this should be W. If it is L, also this should be L. And now about rectangles, you must know two things, right? Number one, the perimeter. What is a perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary. It's like, for example, if you have a piece of land, you are going to enclose it with a fence, right? Now the question comes, okay, how many meters of fence do I need to enclose my piece of land? Which means what is the perimeter of this rectangle? So to find this one, that is L plus width plus width. Now if you simplify this, L plus L is 2L and W plus W is 2W. Or even I can just write it as 2 is a common factor. It is 2 times L plus width, right?
Yeah.
That's the first thing you should know. And the second one is, how about the area? Usually we use capital A for area. Area is equal to length times width. Okay? All right, now we're going to solve questions related to this. Okay? All right. Read the question 9. So don't read it.
So yeah. The length of a rectangle is 6 inches more than its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is uh, 20 24 inches, find its dimensions.
Okay. First, when you're solving geometry questions, Sultana, I suggest you to sketch. Let's sketch a rectangle. So we are talking about rectangle, right? And now in the question is saying that the length of the rectangle is 6 inches more. It says 6 inches more than its width. Now suppose that Sultana's width is W and length should be W plus 6, right? Right,
Yeah,
Sultana?
yeah,
And now also its perimeter is given. It says that the perimeter of this rectangle is 24. And I know the perimeter formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. And now it's given that's equal to 24. I'm going to solve this. And since 24 is divisible by 2, I can rewrite it now. 2 times what is length? W plus 6, right?
yeah,
Plus NW. And this 24, since it's divisible by 2, I can write it as 2 times 12. And now this 2, they cancel each other. W plus W is 2W plus 6. That's equal to 12. And we know how to solve this equation, right? We have already practiced. If you solve this, 12 minus 6, 6. 6 divided by 2, it is 3. Now, if it is 3, then we can find length. Length is W plus 6, which is 9.
yeah.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, write it down quickly after you have some experience, and after that, you'll try question 10. Let's solve 10, 11, then we may finish the class, okay?
Yeah. Okay, I copied it down.
Okay, read question 10.
The length of a rectangle is 5 inches more than the 4 times its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 90 inches, find its dimensions.
Okay. Now, I'm not going to give you any help. I'll give it 2 minutes, okay? And after we'll discuss. 2 minutes.
Okay. Mm,
Or did you draw a rectangle, Sultana?
yeah,
Okay. So did you label its dimensions?
yeah.
Okay. So suppose the width is W. Then what is length?
Um, 30.
We can also just use, X. It's easier to use X than W. What is
Yeah,
length?
Huh?
What is length in terms of x?
2.
No, length is 5 inches more than 4 times its width, right?
Yeah.
So 4 times its width, that is 4x. 5 inches more, that is plus 5. You should tell me 4x plus 5, Sultana.
Yeah.
And now in the question, it says that the perimeter is 90 inches. So I'm going to write here the perimeter is, it is 2 times length plus width. That's equal to 90. And now we're going to substitute everything, right, into this formula. Here we have 2 times length. It is 4x plus 5 width. It is x. On the right-hand side, 90, I can write it as 2 times 45. Because I know that it's divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to cancel out this 2. And now these 2's, they cancel out each other. 4x plus x, 5x plus 5. On the right-hand side, we have 45. Right, Sultana? Can you follow me?
Yeah, I'm looking at my notebook right now.
And not just you know how to solve this equation. We practice a lot. Move this 5 to the right-hand side, right? So x is equal to 40 divided by 5. It is 8. Now in the third step, we are going to write the answers. So now first I'm going to write width. Width is x, that is 8 inches. Inch, or yes. And length, it is 4 times 8, 32. 32 plus 5 is 37 inches.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now the last question, then we'll finish the class. Okay. Now try 11. First, read the question.
The length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters less than twice its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 18 centimeters, find its dimension.
Okay. Now let's just start together and you'll do it yourself. Okay. Suppose that its width is x. Then what is its length?
Uh, Twice its width.
2x, right?
Yeah.
Look, read it together. Sultan is means equals 3 centimeters less than
Then twice its
twice its
width.
width. So
Yeah.
what is it?
So 3
You
centimeters.
read from right to left, right? When you're writing the expression, it is 2x minus 3, right?
3. Yeah.
Okay, you should be able to do this really quickly. Now solve it, Sultan. 2 minutes.
So I did 2 times length plus width, so it's 2 times x minus 3 plus x, and then it's 18.
So 2 times, wait, it is 2x minus 3 is length. And with x, right? So that's equal to perimeter. I can write this 2 times 9. Is it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you simplify two twos, right, it's cancel each other. 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. Did you write like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what is x?
18.
4. Move negative 3 to the right hand side is
Oh,
12
and then divide by, oh, yeah, yeah,
divided by 3, right?
yeah.
And now we are going to write the answer. So width is x, which is 4
4.
centimeters.
And then length is 5.
2 times 4, 8, 8 minus 3, it is 5 centimeters.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
very good. Sultana, maybe I'll send you some homework. You have to try to do this homework part only, okay? You see, homework.
Okay.
Okay. Sultan, have a good day. See you next Thursday. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.